dance?
Yes, I can dance.
Can you fly?
No, I cannot fly.
Okay. Please name me 3 shapes.
Triangle, circle, square.
Okay. Which one is 4 side? 4 side.
Square.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. What are the 5 vowels?
A, E, I, O, U.
A, A,
A, A, A.
E, E, E. E, E, E. I.
E, E, E.
O.
A.
U. Very good. Can you tell me the beginning sounds of bat?
B.
Very good. Van.
V.
Very good. Jam.
J.
Very good. Cat.
C.
Very good. Can you please count from 11 to 20?
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Very good. Tai, tell me how many days in a week?
There are 7 days in a week.